Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm actually super excited for today's video because it's going to be a taste test on the new Vertuo pod that Nespresso just came out with. I think it came out a couple days ago, and as soon as I saw it, I ordered it online and I just got it in the mail and turned on my camera. So that's what we're going to do today. I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. So this is the box right here. I ordered 2 of the boxes because let me tell you the description. This is why I ordered 2. It's a level intensity 5. It's a fruity candied pod. So I'm looking up the description online. It's like I said, it's a double espresso, but it's a fruity and candied pod. The aromatic notes are candied cherry and pomegranate. It sounds so delicious. If you're into how they harvest it and all of that, I would recommend you reading their description because it's a long one. I'm not gonna bore you guys with it, but it's very interesting how they do it and how each and every location, where they get the coffee, gives that coffee a unique taste. So this one is from Nicaragua. I am so excited. Let me open it up because because if you're an espresso lover, then you know that the pods are always very interesting. And so this is the pod. I already dropped 2 pods. So this is the pod right here. It's super cute. It's very simple, but I think the red makes it pop. I feel like I'm describing something other than a coffee pod. It's literally just a coffee pod, but I like their little designs. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and brew it. We're gonna taste it without milk first, and then with milk, and then with milk and syrup. So we can taste it all kind of various ways, because I know not everybody likes milk, not everybody likes syrup, and let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna brew it on this cup right here. This is like a double-walled glass cup. I think it fits 8 ounces. I'll link it down in my description. I just got it from Amazon. But I'm gonna do it here, taste it black, and then I'm actually gonna try it iced, over ice, and see how that tastes. But I'm gonna brew it here first. Okay, this is it right here. I have my milk frothing in the cold frothing setting because we're gonna do it iced. I smell the fruitiness. I don't necessarily smell like a cherry, pomegranate-y, like they said, but I smell the fruitiness for sure. So let's just taste it like this. Which, by the way, if you're new to this channel, I don't like black coffee. I just do this for the video purposes. So I wouldn't quite take my opinion to the T when it comes to me just taste testing it like this, because I prefer it with milk and syrup. But either way, let's try it like this. It's pretty good. I can definitely taste the fruitiness, and it's not overwhelming. It's not obviously sweet because I doubt they put sugar in these things, but it's very, it tastes really nice. Usually some certain ones, like the double espresso Chiaro, that one with without milk is extremely bitter, and this one I don't think it is. Yum. I'm gonna get this cup, fill it with ice, and we'll do an iced latte. All right, so this is the cup. I'm just gonna throw the espresso over it, and this is oat milk. I've been really into oat milk lately, just in case you guys are curious what I'm using. And I usually mix 8 ounces of milk with most of my double espressos, so that's what I'm doing right now. A few of you actually recommended me pairing the coffee with the creme de cacao, just because cherry chocolate, it tends to be a good mix, and I didn't even think about that, but that's what I'm gonna do today as far as syrup. So this is just the Torani creme de cacao. Why is it not coming out? All right, let's see if this works. There you go. It was just clogged a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my straw and then mix it in. Ready? Wow. Holy moly, that is so good. That is actually really good. And like I said, I love double espresso pods over ice. I never have an issue with them. This might top double espresso Chiaro. Although double espresso Chiaro is a level intensity 6. This one's a 5. It is really good. Guys, if you love double espressos, if you like iced lattes, that's my baby. Definitely give this a try. It is really good. And I paired it, like I said, with the cocoa, what is it? The creme de cacao. This one's from Torani, but I know even like Torani has like a chocolate syrup, just like a syrup. You could also add a little bit of like chocolate sauce if you wanted a little bit more chocolatier, but I feel like this is the perfect iced coffee. Holy moly, this is really good. You know what? I just realized I didn't even try it without the syrup. I think I just put the syrup right away. But honestly, guys, this is how I like my coffees. So this is what I know best, and this is pretty good. I don't know what else I would pair it with, like cherry pomegranate. What else, like what other syrups do you think would go better? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section below. But for now, the creme de cacao with the La Cumplida pot is a good combo. I think that is it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. So good.